need to capture whatever the value here we are entering. We need to capture this part of it here. So this particular value we need to capture here. So what we have done is created one particular student view model. In that, in the component DS, we declared one variable here. We can just initialize to string also. So we created one variable here, and in the constructor declared activated route. What is activated route means whichever route I am trying to activate it. So during the route that I am trying to capture that particular route, and then I am passing it to the param, that is I am passing it and storing that here in the data and trying to display that value in this particular place. So now what I am doing is, in the router I have just given student view colon ID. So this should be a dynamic value which should be displayed. And in the component.html file, I'm just interpolating that param, that is a property of that component. So this property I'm just interpolating. So now what exactly happens is, now if I just change this value, so 1990, you can just see here. Student view. Okay, you can just see that the value has been captured, and this particular value, whatever I am entering here, is being displayed. So you can just see that it has been, this value I'm trying to capture it and display it. So you can just do this part of it. So for this, in the student component, I'm trying to get that particular value and just displaying it. So is it clear? So I'm just keeping this particular code like this only. So you just try in your system. Now, what is the time?